In other news, motorists with outstanding traffic tickets could find themselves in jail when the new traffic ticket amnesty ends in January. Justice Minister Delroy Chuck made the disclosure at this morning's opening of 2 courtrooms at the traffic court at Sabina Park in St Andrew. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
A warning to motorists.
Those who have tickets, deal with them now.
With the second traffic ticket amnesty now underway, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck says his warning is even more urgent for people with 5 or more outstanding tickets.
If you have 5 or more tickets, you may not be able to drive this Christmas unless you come to court and deal with them. Because, SSP Allen, I know you have everything on computer. You just let Parish Court Judge Griffiths know who have 5 or more tickets, and if they are not dealt with immediately, their license must be suspended so they won't be able to drive until they come and deal with them.
Mr. Chuck notes that there are over 100,000 warrants for traffic violations. Some warrants will be lifted during the amnesty, but the minister feels that at the end of the amnesty, there will still be tens of thousands of unpaid tickets. He points out that the government must send a strong message to motorists that they cannot continue to accumulate tickets without sanctions. It's why he says come January 13, when the amnesty ends, warrants must be executed, people locked up and brought before the courts.
And I've spoken to Major General Rocky Mead that because the jails have limited space, I need some space at Up Park Camp. Red fence. So kindly take steps now, Major General Rocky Mead, to put in place some detention centers for those traffic violators who feel they can get away. And if you're in Hanover, Westmoreland, or St. Mary or Portland, and there's no space for you in the jail cells over there, you will be brought to Up Park Camp until you can be dealt with in the traffic courts.
In the meantime, head of the Traffic and Highway Division, Senior Superintendent Calvin Allen, says since the start of the year, the police have prosecuted over 450,000 breaches of the Road Traffic Act.
Because as we speak, we are recording some 17.5% less reduction in road fatalities. In actual figures, up to yesterday, 59 less lives have been lost on the nation's streets.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.